Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about cooking. Today I'm going to show you all a very tasty mango ki chutney recipe, that is Mangai Pachadi. It's very simple and easy to make. So come on guys, let's start the video. I hope you all like this video. Please try this recipe and comment your suggestions below guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. I will see you all in my next vlog. Thank you. Bye.